In 2019, flooding hit parts of the Roselawn neighborhood in Sioux Falls hard. Shortly after, the city council approved a flood buyout program, allowing the city to purchase homes, rental properties, and businesses in the area. KELOLAND's Sarah McDonald has an update on how the program's going.
3 houses in the Rose and Lotta neighborhoods will soon have new homes. It's part of the Tomar Park Flood Buyout Program.
We started the program using general fund dollars and purchased 8 homes out of the Rose Lotta area. Then we did an analysis on the 8 homes that we purchased and found that 3 of those homes were a great candidate to move. So 3 of those homes this week, I believe, are moving to another core neighborhood development within the city of Sioux Falls around the 14th and Sneeve area of Sioux Falls.
Housing manager Shelly Unruh says the city is looking to purchase 4 more homes this year with federal funding.
The remaining homes in the area that we purchased will be demolished. The reason that we have to demolish every home that we purchase here on after is that we'll be seeking FEMA sources for those funds, and with that funding source, it doesn't allow us to relocate homes after that.
This program is voluntary for homeowners, and Unruh says they are encouraged by the number of people who decided to participate.
Most of those homes that we've purchased have been on Rose, which is at the highest risk of flood. So we're happy that specifically that the homeowners on Rose have decided to make that transition. So yeah, I think the process is going along very well.
In Sioux Falls, Sarah McDonald, KELOLAND News.
While the city says they aren't exactly sure when the homes will be moved, they do expect them all to be moved on the same day, as it does take quite a bit of work.